Hey, what's going on? It's Dhiman here back with a brand new Android setup. If you are interested in this setup and you want to make your Android home screen look like this, then you must watch this video till the end and follow every step carefully. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to install Nova Launcher, another widget, Solid Gold Icon Pack and Solid File Explorer. Once you have installed required applications, you need to download a zip file attached below this video. Now open Solid Explorer, browse Golden Dog zip file in it, select it, bring up more options and extract it. This zip file contains wallpaper and a Nova backup file inside data folder. Copy this data folder, go back and paste it into internal storage. Press merge button if it asks. Now we have to set the wallpaper. Tap and hold on home screen, choose wallpaper, browse this one, hit set wallpaper and set it to your home screen. Open Nova settings. Find default launcher options and set Nova Launcher as a default home screen launcher. Again open Nova settings, go to backup and import. Press backup and choose Golden Dog backup file. One important step is remaining, that is to set up the stop widget. Open this widget, look for typography, here open text color, swipe up and find perfect flat golden color. Don't forget to press this copy icon. Open widget font, then custom font. I recommend you to go with Eldritch font and use their regular version. Go back, enable clock, open clock settings, then text color. Here press this paste button, open widget settings, then press refresh widget. If your widget won't work, remove this widget. Tap and hold on home screen, add another widget, press add widget button, resize this widget so it looks nice. With that, our final setup is completed. Let me know your thoughts through comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in next one.